motion in terms of getting a sharpening while still using the angle guide. So I think we're pretty good. Alright, let's give it a shot. Let's do some paper tests. Let's see if this thing cuts. You always want to find it kind of, when you're doing a sharpening job, it's always a good idea to finish it off with a good leather strop. See, I think you should be able to see that mirror polish edge on the camera here. Yeah, pretty damn screaming sharp, guys. Try to really feather stick that paper. Yeah, knife is really doing all the